Kind of a nice little area around here. No idea what they're growing. They're growing a lot of it. They might be possibly grapes, I think. A few signs with grapes on them. Korean grapes are not a huge fan, to be honest. They're kind of big and meaty and sweet. Quite thick skins on them. Almost kind of plummy, but not quite. Looks pretty cool anyway. Yeah, and there's a big old wine bottle sign there. Don't know what the Korean word for grape is, so probably staring in the face. Quite a nice little road this actually. Never heard of it. It's the 21 going south of Bogyong. It also might be have a 77 designation on it as well. Very cool. The bike that I'm riding, the Honda X4, is a bit of a heavy beast. I've also got some saddlebags on, and Mrs. Van Bloozeld is on the back there as well, so it's not really, can't really go laying it down on the curves too much. Don't want to lay it down at all actually, but yeah, very pleasant out here.